I live in Brisbane and we are getting flood. Oh my god. So we are just gonna go to the supermarket because I think people is buying at least all the toilet paper. So one of the things that are really gone is the water. So people is getting crazy with water. Look. There's no water. Another thing that people is buying a lot is toilet paper. There's a few, but this is paper towel. How many people there?
Lot. A lot.
Lots of people. I think that even the supermarket was packed and the people was buying. There were still things that I think we had learned as a human being to not go and panic buying everything because everyone needs stuff, and today is pretty bad here in Brisbane. So I'm thinking in a way with COVID we have learned as a human being to take care of each other and not just buy everything for me, just all the toilet paper, or maybe the supermarket, I don't know. What's your opinion on it? Anyway, I will be here, probably fine. I'm gonna start to edit the videos. See you.
The major supermarkets have brought back purchase limits as panic buying once again becomes a major problem.
No products, a byproduct of this major flooding disaster.
It's a big issue everywhere.
It's been the perfect storm. Hungry, tired Southeast Queenslanders have stripped aisles. Freight and logistics businesses